Next project up is we got some firewood here to cut up from my friend Cheryl, and there's two piles here, one for me, one for John. John already started on his this morning while I was cleaning and organizing the woodshed. Now I'm going to start on this bunch, and this is going to pretty much take care of a good chunk of one season's worth of firewood. So super excited to get into this. We got the trailer here. I'm not going to get it all done today, of course, but it's a beautiful spring afternoon here in northern Wisconsin, and I just want to get outside and be able to enjoy it, make some firewood here. Great day to do it. So let's get after it. So we've got some smaller pieces here on the end. So I'm going to use the bad boy. I got the bigger steel in the truck if I need it. And right now we're just going to start this with the bad boy, electric. Cool idea. I didn't think of it before, but I've got two batteries for this, right? So when the one burns out or runs out, what I'm going to do is I brought a battery charger with me that plugs in. I can plug that into my Ford pickup truck. You know, I've got a regular outlet for it. So that battery can be charging while I'm using the second one. And I don't need to be around a house or a plug. Pretty good idea. If you haven't thought of it, that's your tip for today too. So let's start this. All right. I know the length. I go to the B and right here.
Let me double check that one. Yep. There. Blades have been sharpened. Get your little area here first. Bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when Brian comes for you?
So with the bad boy chainsaw, I was only able to get 21 cuts made. I cut up 2 logs, and most of this third one, I'm getting out the 251C steel now. That I'll be able to cut through. This bigger stuff, like a couple of these bigger chunks here, my goal is I'm going to cut them. I'm going to just roll them off to the side for now. I'll lift those. I'll bring my little compact tractor over and lift those onto the trailer with the compact tractor. Either that, or I'll drop the tailgate and roll them up onto the trailer. Either way. But for now, we're just going to try to get them cut to the right width. Okay? So let's see how this all rock and rolls. So day 1 of cutting for next season is done. I'm going to take this home. It's about 4 o'clock. I'll take this home and maybe split it yet tonight. It's just a beautiful spring day. So We got this, I rolled these chunks up on the trailer, just put the ramp down, and that's our pile we have to go here yet. Some very, very nice maple. I'm glad to get that. Like I said, I think I'm going to bring the tractor over on some of these bigger chunks. I'm an old fart, so I'm going to bring the tractor over and just load them with the bucket. That'd be the gentlest way to do. The tractor just sits right on the trailer, so might be the easiest way to do it. So thanks for watching. Check out the other videos at Perrodin the Project Specialist. Take care, have a great day, and hit that subscribe button.